If you've been thinking about buying from Kerezi.com, you should probably watch this first. I decided to look into Kerezi.com to see if it's actually legit or just another website that raises red flags. At first glance, the site looks clean and professional. It offers a variety of products and the prices can seem pretty tempting. That's usually what catches people's attention. But before spending your money, it's important to slow down and do a little research. One thing I always recommend is checking if the company provides clear contact information, shipping details, and a return policy. Legitimate online stores are usually transparent about these things. If important information is missing or difficult to find, that's something to keep in mind. I also suggest reading recent customer reviews from different websites. Don't rely only on reviews posted on the store itself. Independent reviews often give you a better idea of what real buyers experienced, including delivery times, product quality, and customer support. Another thing to check is how long the website has been around. New online stores aren't automatically scams, but if a site is very new and has little online history, it's worth being extra careful. So, is Kerezi.com legit? Based on my research, I wouldn't rush into placing a large order. I recommend starting with a small purchase if you decide to try it at all. Always pay with a secure payment method that offers buyer protection, just in case something goes wrong. At the end of the day, every online shopper should do a little homework before clicking the buy button.